Everyone, this is Umair Osman, the cognitive consultant. I help people manage their weight, reduce their anxiety, and improve their performance. And today, I'm going to discuss a topic that I've discussed several times, but I would like to repeat once again, and that is about extreme diets. Now, we all see these extreme celebrity diets online or in magazines from time to time. One or the other diet becomes very, very famous, and everybody seems to try to replicate it. But the fact of the matter is that these celebrity diets, they do exist. They are a reality. But what usually happens is that celebrities go on these diets a few days before an award show or a concert or a performance or something like that. They exist but only for the short term, and even celebrities who use them only do so in the short term. They know that these are just extreme measures that can only last a few days, only for a good performance or a photo shoot, and so on. This is something that websites don't talk about, magazines don't talk about. They just like to make believe that these diets are their lifestyle, which is not possible. It's just not possible for these extreme diets to last for months or years at a time. The only way that happens is if you've got an eating disorder. So what is usually happening is all the celebrities, they have a healthy lifestyle. They have a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. They're not perfect at it, but that is what they aim for, which is why they remain usually in shape. So what do I mean by a healthy lifestyle? Well, obviously it's three things: exercise, food, and sleep. So they have a consistently healthy diet, even when they're not gone for a shoot or whatever. They generally have a consistently healthy diet, and some of the celebrities are really, really good at it. But their diet is not supposed to be perfect, especially when they're on vacation or whatever. But in general, they have a knowledge of and they have a good dietary habit, which is nutritious, palatable, and so on. Then they have a consistent exercise regimen. Now, I'm not talking about going into a superhero shape, but a lot of these celebrities, they know what a proper regiment is. They know how to stay consistent. They know when to go to gym. They know when to run. They know how to do it. Well, given they have expert body trainers as well, without a doubt, but regardless, they still have an exercise regimen. It might become more extreme during a shoot or during a movie or whatever, but they all have a consistent exercise regimen. And the word I'm trying to emphasize over here is consistent. It's about consistency, not perfection, not getting a six ab. It's about consistency, because we're talking about health over here, not looks. And then obviously there's deep and consistent sleep, which is necessary to energize your body, energize your mind. And a lot of these celebrities, they might even have, they might use yoga, they might use meditation, they might have a masseuse, whatever it is, anything that helps them to relax and get into a good deep sleep. And anybody who's into exercise or who's into fitness will tell you that it is just not possible to get into a certain shape without proper sleep. And I know when we're talking about sleep, we're talking about health. Regardless, sleep is paramount. Sleep is going to support nutrition. Sleep is going to support your exercise regimen. These three things are key. These lifestyle changes are key. Everything else is noise, and all the celebrities know that as well. All right, that's enough for me today. This was Umair Osman, the cognitive consultant, and I will see you next time.